want you guys listen for a minute. Just listen. This was the sound of nature, the sound of birds chirping. You can hear the sound of wind. Two crows just passed by flying, and I could hear the sound of their wings. This is the sound of nature, sound of creation. And it sounds so soothing to our ears. It sounds calm. There is a calmness in that sound. There is a peace in that sound that makes everything relaxed in the body. This world is so beautiful. We just gotta see it. We just gotta open our eyes and we just see it. Just go out. Wake up. Wake up from your bed. Wake up in your mind. Open your eyes and see how beautiful this world is. See how beautiful it sounds. I'm not talking about the world with the huge buildings, cars. I'm not talking about all that. Just go to any natural place. Go to the park. Go where you're surrounded by nature, where you have no one around. Go there and just stand there and breathe and try to listen to it. You would know. You would feel the calmness inside you, and you would feel the same way that I do. This world is so beautiful. This is heaven here, but we are so busy in completing our desires. We are so busy running behind money. We have become workhorses. We are just living for money, just working, and missing out the life, missing out so many beautiful things this life, this mother nature offer us. I just want to say wake up and start living your life. Have a good day, and wish you peace in your life and calmness.